In this video, we'll show you how to use unsubscribe categories in Nimble, a simple way to give your audience control over what types of emails they receive. Let's dive in. To set it up, head to Email Settings, then select Do Not Mail List, then Settings. This is where you can create and manage your unsubscribe categories. Click Add New Category, then enter a name and description. For example, you could create categories like newsletters, promotions, events, or even product updates. This lets people opt out of just one type of message instead of all of them. When you're composing an email, click Editor Commands, then select Manage Unsubscribe Preferences to add your unsubscribe links. You can then choose which type of email this is based on your unsubscribe categories. It's also important to note you can't add a Manage Unsubscribe Preferences link on its own. You must also include the main unsubscribe link in the email as well. When a contact clicks the Manage Preferences button on your email, they'll see a simple page listing of your email categories. They can uncheck specific ones or unsubscribe from all. To view who unsubscribed and from what, you can check your Do Not Mail list. You'll see the contact's name, date, and category preferences all in one place. And that's it! Unsubscribe categories help you stay compliant, improve engagement, and keep your audience connected to the content they care about most. Thanks for watching!